Thank you for visiting the Tire Repair Materials YouTube channel. In this short video, we're going to give you an explanation about how to use a four-way valve tool. This happens to be one of the most useful tools you can use in your shop, and we supply them right here at tirerepairmaterials.com. The four-way valve tool is called four-way valve tool because it has four ends to it, and each end has a specific use, and we're going to show you exactly what each end does. To begin with, after you remove the valve cap, sometimes you need to replace the valve core. Sometimes dirt gets in there, and sometimes it just gets worn out, and this is the easiest way to do it. You'll see that this tool has a little bit of a notch in it. You'll take that notch, you'll slip it right over the valve core, and you twist. And I always find that it's easier to twist the valve than it is to twist the valve tool. It just comes out better that way. Twist about 10 times and it'll usually be enough. And you can do the rest by hand. And you just twist the top of that valve core until it comes out. This happens to be a high temperature valve core because we're using a truck valve which operates at higher temperatures. So you want to use high temperature valve cores that has the red seal on the outside of it. Okay, now that we've taken away the valve core, that was the first part of this tool. Now we'll look at the second part of this tool. What this does, it'll tap. Sometimes you'll have stripped threads on the inside of the valve stem where the valve core actually threads into the valve stem. This tool will just, if you use it nice and gently, find the right thread, and then it'll just spin it around and it will tap out those threads and those inconsistencies. I can't tell you how many times I've fixed valve threads that were stripped by using this tool. Very easy. Do it a couple of times and you'll get that valve right back into working order. Oh, again, always try to spin the valve itself. It just seems to be easier. The next thing you can do is you can use this for an outside tap. Sometimes the cap, the threads that hold the cap on, also get a little bit stripped, and what you'll do is you'll just put it right on the top. Always twist it the opposite direction first because that's the best way to find the threads actually. So you just twist it the other way and then you twist it the right way. And there you go. You spin it all the way as far as it goes and you have tapped your outside threads and your cap will go on nice and smooth. So far we've shown you the valve core removal end, we've shown you the inside tap and the outside tap. This final one, very few people know exactly what it does. What it does is very simply cleans out the inside of the valve. It's called a reamer. What you'll do is you'll put it in as far as it goes, spin it around a little bit, and it'll clear out any debris that's sitting there and impeding the action of the valve core from sealing. And that's basically it. So here you have your four-way valve tool, one of the most versatile tools in the tire shop or anywhere that you are dealing with tire valves. Go visit us at tirerepairmaterials.com for many more products. Thank you very much.